How to change the language on Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change the language of Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change the language on Netflix, there are two types of languages. First is the app language, the other is the movie language. So if you want to change the app language, open up Netflix. Do not log into any of the profile, just tap the pencil icon from the top right. Select your profile on which you want to change the language, and here you can see display language. So if you're talking about an app language, select display language and select any of the other languages that you might want to change to. If you're talking about audio and subtitle language, you can select that, and you can always set the default ones is set to English, so you can change that to any of the other ones you prefer here. And then once done, you will also be able to change the subtitle appearance if you'd like. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically change the language on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.